I'm gonna wait for after her she flushes the toilet, I guess. Ew.
Scott, go lay down. What do you want? Hey, you want to go in here? Come on. Come here.
I said he wanted to go with RJ. And even if he didn't, that's where he's going. Are you taking pictures of the water? Oh,
These walls are filthy.
show the light picture and show. Sarah, get out the video. Sorry. Take the light picture and say this wall picture is what's inspired you. Hi, welcome to Carter's Tiny Homestead. And today I'm standing in our front hallway. And in our front hallway we have this wonderful closet. I will be cleaning this closet today, and then you'll follow me and turning it into a big surprise. I don't want to tell you what I'm doing with it, but come along with me. You know how some people have junk drawers? We have a junk closet.
Don't listen to adult people who also are dumb talk. Video games are ruining America.
Do you think that well, we have a refrigerator. I'm sitting here with this shelf, I think. I'll take this shelf out.
Cut the shelf in half. Then you would have 2 of those shelves.
And you lied. You just lied and you told yourself you're lying.
The closet is nearing completion. Today I am putting up a curtain to block it. The doors weren't working out so well, so I yanked them off. And now I'm going to hang a PVC pipe curtain rod. I've taken down the old closet door track, and now I am going to use these, I guess, stud braces, or I think it's a brace. I'm gonna use this brace as my PVC pipe holder. So I'm gonna put it up there with the PVC pipe, and I'm gonna screw it on both sides, and it's just gonna hold it in place. I'm not worried about it. I'm not worried about it. I've decided I'm gonna screw this on to the PVC pipe, and then I'm gonna screw this into the wall. That way the PVC pipe won't move while it's in use, like when the curtain's opening and closing, because it'll be stuck. I think that technically is a middle. Yeah, that is a middle. So if I put one here, dang it. What's that? Oh. You got some? I'm gonna grab them. That'll work.
Yeah, she could be working it. Yeah. All right. Okay, I will. Okay, bye.
So in place of those other brackets, I'm going to use these ones instead. These came from the dollar store.
How much it cost?
Probably $1.
So, I was thinking it should go on the inside right there, on each side, but put it up high enough to where you can't really see it.
The way I was doing it, I won't have to cut this in half. I won't have to cut this hole in half.
Oh, okay.
I can still use these here, I guess.
But won't it slide in and out of there?
Yeah, the way I was doing it was putting a hole in it, or putting a screw through it here in the middle, and then attaching this up there, so that way this won't move, and also it still has enough space from up here to allow the hooks to slide back and forth. Because this one, yeah.
Well, I was thinking it was gonna go up here, but like you said, you didn't want to cut. Because my whole thought was putting it up there on the inside. But my way, you would have to cut the hole.
And still have to do the same thing, which would still be to screw it into something, if I'm moving
No,
around.
you have to screw this, but you wouldn't have to screw those.
This would fall, probably.
It would be secure up against the wall.
You think so?
Well, the girls use those in their closet right now, and it doesn't move. That's what they have underneath the holding the clothes up.
I'm gonna do it this way. Fire! Oh, fire! That's good. We could use some sprucing. I could use some sprucing, but that's good. That adds a little pop of something to the hall closet, the utility closet, the laundry closet.